Hey Google, turn on dining light.
Sure, turning on the dining light.
Alright guys, welcome back again for another Diecast toy review. And today we'll be having a toy to be reviewed and to be unboxed na nabili natin kay Tiny Grace Bentas. Yan. It is from Baguio City. So if you like buying pre-loved toys and mga scale models and halo-halong toys, just follow her page. Check her wall for her items for sale. Okay, so ang nabili natin sa kanya, it is unlicensed toy ng brand is KDW na 1:50 tow truck. Okay, so unlicensed to guys. Let's unbox this toy to check kung ano ba talagang toy na to. Okay, so upon research guys, as you know, no, meron talaga ako mga unlicensed toy like ang brand is Wina, yan, KDW o Kaidiway, mga Chinese brand. Maganda rin details nun. Okay, so etong nabili natin sa kanya, medyo kakaiba to. Meron tayong reference pala na nakita. Yung isang toy ko, meron palang booklet ng KDW. Yan. So, ito siya. Yan. Isa siyang tow truck. Okay, so upon checking, isa siya sa few model ng KDW na battery operated. Yan, supposedly lights and sound. But I'm fully aware na untested tong toy na to kasi this is a pre-love toy lang no guys. And medyo mabigat. That's one of the special bakit nagustuhan ko yung toy na to kasi may review nito, meron nito picture sa internet and nakita ko sa kanya mabigat siya. Okay? So, by the way, ang scale nito is 1:50. Yan, isa siyang tow truck na mayroong robotic arms na tow mechanism sa likod. Yan. Okay, so ito guys, ang translation nito is KDW Rescue. Yan, just like in the picture. Yan ang details niya. Okay, so material na ginamit dito sa toy na to guys. This is a die-cast metal truck. Including lahat. This one is plastic pala. Tama ba? Yeah, this is plastic. Yung warning lights. May details dito ng horn. May loud horn. Yan. Die-cast metal tong head. Clear acrylic. Yung glasses niya, kita nyo yung details sa loob. There are a few details din sa loob. Yan, nakita nyo ba? Yan, okay. So, yung headlights niya, bumper is all painted. Yan. Ano pala to? Mga first generation to na toy ng KDW. Yung gulong niya, maganda rin yung details ng rim niya, plastic. Itong gulong niya, rubber. Yeah, maganda yung texture feeling just like yung ibang KDW truck ko, ganito yung material na ng gulong niya. Meron kasing KDW plastic yung gulong. Yan, parang mga Tomica. Yan. Okay, daming details dito. It's all painted. Walang dito, walang sticker. It's all painted. Yan ang details niya. Pansin ko lang yung na to, yung head ng truck medyo nakatingala. I don't know kung ganito ba talaga to or maybe there are some defect na kasi this is a pre-love toy now guys. Yeah, yan ang details niya. Okay, so sa material, die-cast metal siya lahat. Including dito sa taas na to. Pero yung nasa loob na part na yon, that is plastic. Yan, yung details sa loob. Pero itong arm niya, hindi. Mixed metal plastic to. Ito, die-cast to, itong part na yan. Plastic tong hydraulic cylinder, metal yung nasa loob. Then, metal din to nasa dulo. But, itong part na to, this is, yan, ito plastic to, I think. Yan, yun yung feeling ko eh. Kasi, merong, tawag ito, meron siyang, anong tawag doon, yung imperfections Yan, that's plastic. Kaya nasabi ko plastic. Pero this is all metal, tong part na to. Yan, tow truck kasi siya guys. Yan. So, nangat baba siya. Dun sa ano neto, yung brand new condition neto, may kasamang supposedly siyang isang kotse dito o car. Yan. Ito sinasabi ko sa inyo guys is untested. Wala rin ako battery para dito eh. Hahanap na lang muna tayo. This is a battery operated with lighted sounds daw. There are a few toy ni KDW na may license sound dyan. Yan, just like this. Ito siya kasi, oh. Yan, ito may light and sounds to. Tapos the rest wala na. Dalawa lang ba siya? I think. Ang scale nito is 1:50. Yan. Ay, by the way, meron pala ako nabiling truck, fire truck recently kay Ma'am Momand na meron ng diecast toy review to eh. Ito yung fire truck. Hindi pala to 1:50. Nakita ko lang din siya dito. 1:72 siya. Ayan, ito siya oh. Yan, ito siya. 1:72. Kaya pala mas maliit. O, compare mo siya. Kala ko 1:55. Hindi, mas maliit siya. So, meron sila kasing 1:72 scale. May 1:55, 1:50. Yan ba pinakamalaki nila? May maliit sila oh, yung mga earth moving. 1:120, 1:144. Yung mga heavy equipment nila is 1:50, may 187. Parang yun ang pinakamalaking KDW, 1:50. Wala silang 1:32 or 36 higher scale, no? Wala nga. Dito sa, at least dito sa paano to, sa series na to, yan, yung models na yan. Yan, wala silang mas malaking scale. Okay? So, etong ano na to, itong tow truck na to, binili ko, medyo cheap lang ang pagkakabili natin kay ma'am kasi pre-love nga, no? Pero maganda pa yung details niya. Okay pa yung condition. I will just check kung bakit nakatingala tong head niya. Okay? Maganda na rin pandagdag sa ano natin, sa shelves natin. Heavy sa ano, sa scale niya na 1:50. Ang weight niya is 276 grams. Yan. 1/4 ano guys. 1/4 ang sa kilo. Yan, mabigat din siya. Yan, ganda rin naman details niya, no? Although Chinese kasi ang sulat niya. Okay? So that's it guys. What do you think of this toy? Just ano nanto, i-rate nyo nga to guys. So if you like more this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. Just follow my page, comment, and share nyo na rin. Okay? Comment if you like Fred. Okay? So stay tuned guys for upcoming toys na parating natin to be unboxed and to be reviewed. I have also few, marami-rami pala, hindi pala few, na toys na hindi pa natin nagagawa ng diecast toy review. Nagawa lang natin ng part 1. So, abang na lang kayo guys because we have only limited time. And pagka may oras tayo, mahababang oras, gagawa natin ng diecast toy review yun. Okay, so, I'll see you then on the next video. No? In the future video, I'll see you and goodbye.